Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually block an artist on Spotify application. So first of all, and of course you'd like to have the Spotify application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just here launch my Spotify application first. And as you can see, that will be actually your home screen of Spotify. So as you can see, that actually will be your home screen, and of course you can have here different songs. Maybe if you like, it depends on what you actually recently listened to. So of course, as we said, if you want to block an artist, so in order to do so you just follow these steps, of course. So head to the artist, of course, page you no longer wish to listen to. So let me just here and click add a random maybe playlist or an artist if I found. So, okay, let me just go here and click at a playlist, random playlist. And let's just go to any song here and go, then click at the name of any artist here. So as you can see here, like that's actually the artist that maybe you would like to block. So as we said, you would like to navigate to the artist that you would no longer wish to listen to, then tap at the three dots at the upper, or it could be right here at the right of follow it, or it could be at the upper right corner. So just tap at the three dots. Then as you can see here, we have no option, so don't play this. So as you can see here, wait, if you click at don't play this, so as you can see here, let me just stop the song. So as you can see here, songs from this artist actually like getting blocked. And as you can see, if you want to unfollow or if you want to remove the block, let me just, all you need to do, just go and click at the icon, which is the block icon. If you click on it, as you can see, you will have the follow option again, and you will actually will have the option of like hearing this song's artists as again. So if you don't want to hear them and you want to block, just go and hit don't play this, and you actually will not hear the songs from this artist, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.